out of the raffle table and we'll get the contest and pageant started momentarily. Thanks everybody, we'll be right back.